Aaron's 300, not looking too bad. Rebuilt calipers, all put back on. All new seals, everything. 3mm spacers on the back. Wheels are sitting nice. And he put 10mm spacers on the front. They are missing the caliper now by a nice bit, so it's looking really good. These discs are brand new. They just look a bit worse for wear. He has a few more bits and pieces to tidy up on the car, but it's looking really good. Really like it. It's really clean. Need to sort this bad boy out. The new seats he got for it, it's actually locked. Porsche 911 seats, I think they are. I don't know what he said they were. They're Porsche seats anyway, but they look really good. But the car is looking a bit worse for wear. Needs to be redone. The exhaust fell off. The bushes failed and they just pulled off. You see the round bushes, they just broke. They just split and the whole thing just fell. But yeah, it's just left sitting there rotting away, but we'll get to it. A few bits to do on my Mini. New stickers looking well, new backlights looking well. There is, I don't know what that is, like paint or something that needs to be cleaned off, and there's a few little fractures in the lenses, but they're cleaner than the last ones that were on the car. So she's looking sweet. This is Aaron's farm wagon getting sold. Really clean. He's done a full respray on this van. It's really nice. It's actually a really decent yoke. He's just in hoovering it up before sale, so thumbs up, and hopefully fingers crossed he sells it. So in here just needs a little tidying up. Seats are in. He's getting this retrimmed. I think he's getting the front retrimmed with leather because the backs are already leather. Then the dash needs a bit of a clean up, but all this can come out easy and done. He needs to do the water pump, the timing belt and stuff, so he's going to send it up to the garage to get all that done before the VRT and the duty and the MCT. So not much left to do. So the brake pipes on the 300 need to be redone, and Aaron made these bad boys nice and neat and tidy. Just bend them into place, do them, and then the brakes can be bled. Now we have the wheels off, down the brake lines. Aaron's around the other side. All new shiny braided lines, caliper, coilovers, all new bushes. Looks really well. That's the force of Aaron's custom lines put on. Just the bracket needs to be pushed up to this, and then a clip goes in there and holds this in. Looks really nice. So this is Aaron's bleeding contraption. You pump it and it causes pressure and it pushes the fluid through the system, but you have to get this thing on good and proper so it doesn't go. Aaron likes making a mess. Bleeding brakes. Bleeding brakes, sorry. Not much left to do. That's just rebuild the engine and then do some donuts. So I just dropped off to Ishmael in Atlas. He had a few bits and pieces from you there for the Mini rocker cover gasket kit with all the seals. Got them off Stephen. Chuffed. I did order some on Amazon, but they haven't been here yet, and they said they won't be here until the end of August, and Heatwave is the 19th of August. So thanks for that, Ish. I really do appreciate it. We'll have a look at his car now, waiting to see. This thing is an absolute weapon. So we'll end on this, guys. Update for the 300. I'm happy with it. Aaron's chuffed with it as well, and we'll end with a montage of Ish's car.